force of gravitation of the Earth or Earth's gravity. Students, let us find the gravitational force between two boys sitting very close to each other. Let the mass of one boy be 40 kilograms and the other 50 kilograms. Let the distance between them be 0.5 meters. Consider the masses to be point masses. We have F is equal to G multiplied by m1 m2 divided by r squared. Here, r is equal to 0.5 meters. m1 is equal to 40 kilograms. m2 is equal to 50 kilograms. G is equal to 6.67 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of minus 11 Newton meter squared divided by kilogram squared. Therefore, F is equal to 6.67 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of minus 11 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 50 divided by 0.5 multiplied by 0.5. Therefore, F is equal to 6.67 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of minus 11 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 50 divided by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of minus 2. Therefore, F is equal to 533.6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of minus 9 Newton. When we take the decimal point to the left, F is equal to 5.336 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of minus 7 Newton. This force is very low. You already know that the force required to lift a 100-gram coin is about 1 Newton. So you can imagine that the force of 5.336 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 7 Newton is negligible. Thus, each boy exerts a force on the other, but the amount of force is very low. Hence, even if they are sitting very close, they are not attracted to each other or move towards each other. Let us find the force between a man of 60 kilograms and the Earth. Mass of Earth is equal to 6 multiplied by 10 raised to 24 kilograms. F is equal to G multiplied by m1 m2 divided by r squared. Here, m1 is equal to 60 kilogram. m2 is equal to 6 multiplied by 10 raised to 24 kilograms, and the radius of the Earth is equal to r is equal to 6.4 multiplied by 10 raised to 6 meters. Therefore, we have F is equal to 6.67 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 11 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 24 divided by 6.4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 6 the whole squared. Therefore, F is equal to 586 Newton. This is an appreciable force which is easily felt by man. Thus, if any one body between two large bodies is large in size, the gravitational force will be quite large. This force is called the force of gravity. In this instance, the Earth exerts a force of gravity equal to 586 Newton on a man of 60 kilograms standing on the surface of the Earth. We can use the term gravity for the moon, planets, etc. Acceleration due to gravity. If an object is released from some height above the surface of the Earth, it falls freely on the Earth's surface. As the object falls, its velocity goes on increasing, which shows that the object moves with acceleration. This acceleration is called as acceleration due to gravity and is represented by the symbol G. Scientist Galileo dropped 2 stones of different masses from the top of the Leaning Tower at Pisa and showed that they reached the ground at the same time. He inferred that the acceleration of a body falling freely towards the earth does not depend on its mass.